Hello everybody, welcome back to the series on Indian mathematics, Ganitha Ratna Kosha. In the previous two videos, we have seen how to multiply by 11, 101, 9, 99, etc. We will see today how we can extend the same process to multiply by 102, 103, 98, etc. These methods are very useful when we are trying to calculate percentage increases or percentage decreases of number, any percentage increase from 1 to 10%. So, let us see how we can extend the process to multiply by 102 first. For example, if I was multiplying 24 with 102, it will have two parts. 24 is the left part and the right will be twice of 24, which will be 24 and 48. So, that is the product of 24 and 102. If I am multiplying a bigger number, I divide the number into groups of 2. Here in this case it will be from the right side 26 and then 7, and then I start with the part 7 is the left part. Then the next part is 7 twice of 7 plus 26, and then the next part will be twice of 26. So, you start from the left, you write 7 first, then you multiply this with 2 and add to 26, and then the last part will be twice of 26 itself. So, this is 7, this is 14 plus 26, that is 38, no 40, sorry 40, and then 52. So, this is 74052. Each part will have 2 digits. There is no passing unless there are more than 2 digits. Suppose we have a bigger number, that is 37103 for example. You divide it into groups of 2 from the right side. You can start writing the answer from the left. First part is 3, then is twice of 3 plus 71. Then the next part will be twice of 71 plus 3 plus this 3, and then twice of the last two digits 03. Okay, just to be clear, write all the digits. So, then if we calculate this part, it is 3, then it is 6 plus 71, that is 77, and then it is 2 times 71 is 142 plus 3, which is 145, and then the last part is 2 times 3, which we write as 06 because it needs to be a 2-digit number. Each part is the 2-digit number. There is one extra digit here, so we pass this. This one will go here. So, this is 3784506. So, this way we can extend this process to multiply any given number and say let us calculate 2% increase on the given value. Similarly, 98 is the same as 1 bar 02 in vinculum form. So, we can use the same process just for 98 as well, as long as we take care of the bar 2. So, 24 into 98, right, 24 into 102 and 1 bar 02, which will be the first left hand side part will be 24 and the right side will be twice of 24 with a bar on top. So, this will be 24 and bar 48, which is 2352 if we convert this to from vinculum to normal. Similarly, if I have a bigger number 726 into 98, I start dividing it into groups of 2 and then right from the left. First part is 7, the next part is always subtraction in this direction, right. So, it will be 26 minus twice of the previous digit, minus 2 into 7, and then it will be twice of 26 with a bar on top. So, this will take the form 7, 26 minus 14 is 12 and then bar 52. So, this is, there is no extra digit, so there is no passing. So, this is 7, 1, 2 bar 5, 2. Now, if I convert this to normal form, this will be 7, 1, 1, complement of 52 is 48. So, 7, 1, 1, 4, 8 is the product of 726 and 98. Similarly, one more example with a bigger number, always divide into groups of 2, then start from the left side 3, then it is subtraction in this direction. So, 71 minus twice of 3 and then is 03 minus twice of 71. Be careful with the BODMAS, and then the last part is twice of 03 with a bar on top. So we calculate 3, then this part is 71 minus 6, which is 65, and then this 3 minus 142, which is minus 139. Careful with the signs, and then minus 6. There is one extra minus 1 here, so this will pass. So this becomes 364 bar 3906. When we convert to normal, this will be 363 6094. So that's the product of 37103 into 98. Similarly, we can extend this process for numbers like 103, 104, etc., and 97, 96, all the way up to 10% increase or decrease. So for example, if I am multiplying 829 with 103, I'll start with the left 8, then is 3 times 8 plus 29, and then the last part is 3 times 29. This becomes 8, this is 24 and 29 is 53, and 3 times 29 is 87. So 85387 is the product of 829 and 103. One last example how it works for 97. 97 is 1 bar 03. So we can start from the left as usual 2, then it is 47 minus 2 times 3, and then bar of 3 times 47. So this is 2, 47 minus 6 is 41, and 3 times 1 for 47 is 141 with a bar. This becomes 240 bar 41. When I convert to normal, this becomes 23959. So that's the product of 247 and 97. Similarly, we can extend this, as I said, we can extend this process to multiply with 104, 105, etc. As usual, I've given some problems to try in the notes. Please do try them out, and please do feel free to write to me for any clarifications or suggestions. Thank you.